You've built an incredible cleaning business, but as your business has grown, so have your challenges. And somewhere along the way, the pride and purpose that once fueled your work has been buried under the pressure. We call this hitting the wall. I know, because I hit the wall myself. In the early days of our cleaning business, some 30-odd years ago, I faced the same struggles most owners do today. Scaling became difficult. The growth only seemed to amplify the chaos, and everything started spinning. The problem wasn't the effort I was putting in, it was the 3 Ps: people, platforms, and processes. When they're all pulling in different directions, it makes your life harder and stops you from getting to where you want to go. That's how I knew the cleaning business industry needed a solution. So we developed MaidCentral. MaidCentral is the trusted choice for house cleaning business owners who want to grow faster, earn more, and serve better. Imagine a digital command center at your fingertips, one that helps you make smarter decisions, turn guesswork into growth, and manage your entire business from one powerful platform. That's MaidCentral. MaidCentral gives you clarity with reporting and insights built for the cleaning industry, so you can see what drives profit and make data-driven decisions that move your business forward. It gives you confidence in a dependable platform built by industry veterans, complete with expert training, personalized onboarding, and tools that show you exactly where your business stands and how to get to where you want to go. It gives you complete control by connecting scheduling, payroll, project management, performance tracking, and more into a single powerful platform to keep you focused on what matters most. You've worked too hard to let chaos define your business. It's time to get back to why you started, to reclaim your time, grow faster, and lead your business to its full potential. Clarity, confidence, complete control, that's MaidCentral. Visit MaidCentral.com to get started today.